Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, how to set up key performance indicators, I was promising that I will explain how to create a 360 survey, and how to link it to your behavioral KPIs. Do you want to know more? Let's get started. Guys, why are we not starting?
We are fixing it!
360 Survey is basically a tool that enables feedback collection for a specific individual from all of the relevant persons surrounding him or her. In most organizations, these could be the peers, the reporting team, and the boss, usually filled in online and following a set of dimensions that are relevant for that particular job. Each group will fill in their own perception regarding the skills of the person they evaluate. The powerful thing about the 360 survey is that it includes also a self-assessment. And this last step can end up being an eye-opener for those that tend to under or over-evaluate themselves in comparison with their colleagues' perception. And, at the same time, is great for those anchored in reality, because it's confirming their own beliefs about themselves. The HR person, or the boss responsible to analyze and communicate the results, should be well trained and have care about the feelings of the person in cause. And now that you know what a 360 survey is, let's move further and see how we can create a KPI by using the tool. If you are managing a team where the success is driven by how individuals manage to work together as one, then brainstorming with them, what are the key dimensions that need to run perfectly in order for them to be successful, and adding concrete description of the desired behaviors, and also of those that need to be avoided, will ultimately lead to awareness regarding the team values, but also where every individual stands according to the monthly or quarterly feedback of the others. You should always aim for achievable, and at the same time ambitious targets. But, if your team is at this point struggling, try to set up a goal that can be reached by most individuals. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I did making it. Next one will be about how to create an effective incentive scheme for your employees. So make sure to subscribe on your way out. Best of luck.